Natin, sir, salamat. Nakasurvive tayo sa 2025. Yung challenge nyo, iba-iba man yung challenge natin. Iba-iba yung mga challenges, mga problema na naranasan sa 2025. Pero same impact yun. Di man namin naramdaman masyado siguro sa probinsya. Yung mga challenges na naranasan dito sa Luzon. Pero the fact na nandito tayo, lumalaban para sa pangalan natin. Buhay na buhay para sa pangarap natin! Alright? Totoo po, let's continue to build this company. Very, very proud that I'm part of this company, AGG. Where this company is not changing our income, but of course our lives. Across borders, across cultures, across generations. Na kahit mga bata natin, maramdaman nila gano'n pa kaswerte na nandito tayo sa AIM Global Group of Companies. And tonight is a reminder that you are not alone, that you have the best company, that you have the best community, and most importantly, you have the choice to rewrite history, our story, and of course, to inspire others. Kasi alam ko, bawat isa sa atin ngayon, pag-uwi natin, sobrang daming may inspire na trabahuin ang pangarap nila. Kaya behalf sa lahat na nandito ngayon, gusto akong magpasalamat sa inyo. Thank you so much for the loyalty, for staying with the company AGG. Alright? Alam ko, atin pa rin ang 2026! Video greetings and Chairman of AGG, Dr. Ed Cabanto!
Hi, good morning to each and everyone. The top 15, the top 20, the HOF. It's been 12 months, yung dalawang buwan of 2025. A lot have happened. A lot of things that we were able to survive. A lot of breakthroughs that we were able to conquer. A lot of challenges. A lot of hiccups. A lot of difficulties. And today, December, we're here. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your love to AGG. Thank you for the love to the network. Thank you for the love of the industry. Madaming bumatios, madaming nag-watch, madaming gumawa ng mga dami accounts. Nanira, and until today, they're doing it. Instead na mag-focus doon sa kanila, nakafocus pa rin sa atin. Hanggang sa event na to at kahapon, alam nila pag nangyayari. It's probably because of you guys. You've been so good, you've been so great, you've been the best in promoting our products, you've been the best in promoting our business, you've been the best in expanding our network locally and internationally. Salamat, salamat, at salamat. 2025, kayo ang bida. Kayo ang bida sa kumpanya ko, Global Group. You've been a great ally to me and to the AGG. And 2026 will be the next chapter of our lives. It will be the next chapter of AGG. It's the next level AGG. You will see, you will feel, and you will realize why staying with AGG and making it your life is the best decision there is that you have made for the past few years of your lives. Ang daming magaganap ng 2026. Madaming may babalik at mas gaganda pa. Babalik ang daily payout. Yung mga 30-second payout system. First in the world, we introduced 30-second payout system. Hindi na like 30 seconds. Hindi na like pagkaroon mo. Michael Cashmo Filipino. So that's one of the finest things that will be happening in 2026 expansion program. Division, new division, and new division will be launched. The value of AGG will be so much higher. The value of your leadership will be so much higher. You will not be called as an entrepreneur, as a direct sales entrepreneur. You'll be part of one of the biggest conglomerate there is in our space. AGG will be known as the next giant, the next direct selling conglomerate. Guys, I'm so proud to announce with the HOF, with the top 40, with the top 50, we will conquer so much more. This is just the beginning. The more that they look at us, the more that they hate us, the more that they bash us, the more that we will shine. And 2026 will be AGG's year, as what I've mentioned to my message, into dozens of African countries where we are into. Tuta Tawala 2026 means we will dominate 2026 not only in Africa, not only here in the Philippines, but in many parts of Asia, in many parts of Canada, in many parts of the Middle East, in many parts of Europe. And as I meet you within the next coming days and weeks, those coming countries will be born out of the network, out of your existing network. So salamat sa pagkataguyod, salamat sa pagtitiwala, salamat sa pagmamahal, salamat sa lahat ng suporta. Kayo ang laging nasa isipan at nasa puso ko kung saan papunta ang kumpanya. Sana magkakasama tayo to the next level and next levels of AGG's lives as we unfold a new chapter of this historical company, AGG. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Maraming salamat.
Once again, our chairman, Dr. Ed Camantog, milyon-milyon palakpak! Thank you.
Hindi lang ako yung baguhan.
Okay.